So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your website to the Vivino app. First, we have to open up the app. Then here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu in the top left corner. And then we tap on settings. And then if you scroll down, we find the website here. You can just tap on this, and then afterwards we can enter the link that leads to our website. And yeah, I guess basically that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. And I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.